Mẹ.
Sometimes nó tới từ bờ này, từ cho nó này, nó có lát nữa.
It's October 23rd. Louis just shot a 8-pointer. We are tracking the trails right now. And it's been a rainy night. So we don't know if we're going to be able to see anything at all. Which way did you? This is bad, dude. Can't see nothing. Bỏ mình dính chá lo bên nó. Lo bên nó. Lo bên nó, lo bên nó. Lo bên nó. Lo bên nó ra. Chú chú. Không có bỏ mình chín chá nữa. Bên nó. Chú chú. À. Thấy nó sao nó. Sao nó. Man. Dude, that's the small 8.
Not too bad.
He found it. Woo! Not bad, dude. Not bad. It's okay, dude. That's the first buck for this year. Good job, dude. There you go.
Not bad.
That's okay, man. That's pretty decent.
There's no blood. We found it.
Completely tokia. Nè, they lie nè.
This buck of the season.
First buck was not bad, dude. Chúng mua blood chill, chúng mua chili rouge. You to law. You both they touch on an all sometimes. Oh, it's not bad, dude.
Right on.
Here you go. No blood trail, no nothing. It was a good shot, but because of the rain, tàu nhua cơ nữa.
Small eight.
Yeah, it's the small 8. There's a big buck in here, but yeah, chị tôi chỉ chạy chỉ bỏ the big buck yên tao lại đó. Not bad, it's okay, dude. There you go.
Okay, so we have to go and
Get the slide.
get the slide and get to work.
Okay.